Any like TCG lover here? Oh, little bit. Okay. My project, Renaiss protocol, now is built on BNB Chain. It's RWA liquidity infrastructure for collectibles, especially in a Pokemon card. We working in this space is because we found that the market have a major pain point is that every collectibles when we want to trading, facing a big problem for shipping, and a lot of logistic tax, a lot of problem on that, and also didn't have any like trust infrastructure for that to fixing some problem. Even have a authentication layer or vote layer before that, but didn't on chain, so it still is like a centralized model. And also a lot of collectibles value, even they can exchange, they can trade, but it's waiting in the collector house. This is why we want to step in. Little bit data here. PSA is the leading grading company for empowering every single card have a zero numbers and with a grading. So after grading by PSA, the card will have a fair market value, and everyone will love to trading with those price. The past like few months, every month we have more than 100 million transaction happening in other chain, and most of them is American company, and they use a third-party custody is in US local too. This is what we are here. Our team is focusing in Asia, and also we have all the connection, investment, network, third-party custodian, all the partners is in Asia, and all over different 6 countries. And also we're building on this BNB Chain is not only like a gacha model casino, it's like an infrastructure layer, and we'll show later. And at the end, we have a one takeaway is that we are the only one Web3 protocol in Asia directly have a buyer agreement with PSA. That means we buy the card is most lower cost in all over the world. Here have our protocol. You will see that the underlayer is that every different access provider, after our protocol, it will be passed through by authentication layer. It's an application provided by a leading application to check those items is real or fake, and also related with third-party fault. That means different country fault company staff will using our protocol to accept those cards on-chain and off-chain. That means this is a multi-sig third-party proof on-chain, the first cryptographic proof of custody. After that, all the NFT generated become an RWA NFT, and most of them will become a different access to different applications. For example, already have few wallet, few serious entrepreneur want to building application for us using our liquidity building on BNB Chain. Also, we have our own different few product using card for the gacha model, marketplace, collateral to lending and borrow. Also have a liquidity model vault. And also we have some innovation feature, maybe have time to share later. And here is an interface for folk company. The third party folk company, we're using this application to check about those card and put it as card and check the box in the physical location is that available or not. They will put those cards inside and back to that. They will check the statement and of that about the pricing and store all the things into a signature and put it on chain. So this is like a simple demo to put in which box, and then they will confirm and mint as an NFT. So the card is not minted by platform; it's minted by different folk, and it will signature and yes. And after that, we have some sneak peek. This is about like Oracle, but it's other stuff. If we have more time, we will share later. Also, now we are the only one fully on-chain gacha machine model. We use a RealF, microroot, and all the things is on-chain. So this is the first one ever in on-chain, the most transparent and fair mechanism to let user can get card. So we use that aggregator as like a distribution channel to distribution the card because we have the lower cost and the user can get the cards. Even if the market price, everyone can earn money. This is why our data is so amazing. At the end, the marketplace, one thing away is that we are ensure that all the assets is one by one backed. Here, more interesting is the actual model. We are already launched in BNB Chain for a few months, a few weeks. Everyone can use that if you have a code. And I already have 100 people asking me to get a code in past few days. You can easily to buy any card in here. Now we only have Pokemon, but after that we all have all the different other cards. Yu-Gi-Oh, Gundam War, One Piece, all the cards can go to there. But every single card is access. And you can easier to offer, yeah. And at the end have an amazing animation for that. Just last showing case is last 2 months, 2 week we launched it and have a great data. Thank you, thank you. Any questions? Feel free to ask me. Thanks.
No questions next. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. Nice to meet you.
Actually, I'm very interested in Pokemon card market, and obviously it's one of the long-lasting IP, and it's also growing very rapidly recently. And I'm curious how you onboard the real valuable assets, because now cars is a physical asset and very fragmented all around the world. And I know some markets here and there, but how you can find the valuable one at the competitive price and onboard them to the
Yes,
marketplace.
perfect question. This is our best advantage ever. And now a lot of different card here. This is a graded card, have a fair market value, have a single code, single serial number all over the world. Different country have different card, different market, right? So how the user can get this graded card is that they send those cards to graded company, and the graded company will have to put over to buy that card from them because have a other market value on the web 2 already. So have a different country have a different major pricing engine there. Have like an Oracle business, Web 2, then different market behavior will happen. And then the PSA will buy a lot of card from them. But we also providing that user can provide that card on chain. That means this is why the only one protocol in all over the world, decentralized vote in all over country. That means every people can upload their card, become an other NFT through local vote. After that, the market behavior will run that. For example, the gacha, we only sell the few thousand cards because we limited the card numbers because system. But after that, the trading volume in just 2 weeks have a 200 to few K the people to trading that because have a per party fair market value in somewhere, and the people, someone will bet go up high the price, or someone will think that they buy the price is quite cheap, even upper the FMV. So a lot of trading behavior there will happen. This is why when we adding some liquidity incentive, the trading volume is we will just high a lot. Yeah.
And one more question down
Yes.
the road is big contents. I can see a lot of contents that they're selling in the TikTok or YouTube, and the content following is one of the key to promote this market. So what is your strategy for that? Did you any a KOL, not crypto KOL, but the
Yeah.
Pokemon KOL involved in this process?
Yeah. For example, those KOL in TikTok in somewhere they playing those content actually is ripping the pack like this. For example, have a pack, they will rip it and they provide an entertainment element, right? But what we want to do actually, we want to providing liquidity. We want to become an infrastructure. So we providing is not only for we invite some KOL to promote. That means we provide the best price, best liquidity in the market, and we provide other sub utilities only happening in blockchain. For example, the people can store the card into other vote, and then they can get LTV to lend money or do something. Running different strategy and different even the institutional DeFi also can happening in our here. So what we are doing, for example, we maybe can working with Opinions Lab or maybe AI agents to do trading. So our focus is provide the best quality card, best price for card. The user will already come. So now it's already happened. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. We're going to move on to the next one. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.